Hey guys, welcome to the Parking Lot Mechanic. I'm here today with my friend Logan, and Logan, why don't you tell us what we're doing today?
Yeah, so about a couple months ago, I was getting out of my car and tried to open it, and it just went completely floppy and just wouldn't open at all. So now every time that I get out, I have to roll down the window, reach outside and open it. Not the end of the world, but as I'm looking to resell this car sometime in the near future, it'd be really nice for the resale value to get this fixed.
Yeah. We got the new door handle right here, so let's get this bad boy in. I'm gonna see if you can get this out right there, and I'm gonna pop this off. Yeah.
Does it just pop up?
It should, yeah.
Let's refresh that stuff. It's been a while since I watched.
Yeah, I literally just washed it this morning. This, I think he said, was a 7. You wanna get, I think it's this side.
Oh, it's that part down there?
Yeah.
That'd be a good thing to clean while I have that out.
Yeah. Can you get that popped open?
We'll pop it open.
I got it.
Hey.
It's because we should have pulled from the top.
Well, that would have been. That's helpful.
Yeah, this is actually. Alright, so finally got that out. This. That piece is off. There we go.
Is it just that one on the side?
The hidden one right here, yeah. Yep, that's what I just saw. Cool, we got that stuff. Sounds so bad.
It sounds, yeah. It sounds like it's snapping.
Hey, we got it.
There you go.
Cool. So this, I think it's done way too much. This might be the 8. Yeah, this might be the 8. I am all about playing back where it belongs.
I'm trying to figure it out later.
Yeah. All right. And I think it was just pop this out. This comes out like that. And this.
Oh, there's the piece that's broken.
I think it was the same thing. I think in the video that we watched, it was literally that exact same piece.
Really?
Yeah.
It's so funny. That's just busted. Snap back in.
Making sure it's going in.
Is that for the lock?
Yep. All right. That.
You can test it with the automatic lock too, maybe. Just to double check, like on the panel.
Oh, that's this one.
Yeah.
Auto. No, that's.
Oh no, that's
window.
here. I can just use my keys and I'll see if it works.
Cool.
Okay, so it's locked. So we do unlock. Yep, and lock. Yep.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Oh. Okay. All right, here's the test. It's all back on. Now can Logan get out? Locked it. Hey, it works. Oh, that's gonna be so nice.
Piece of cake.
Yes, that took us like what, 20 minutes?
20 minutes.
20 minutes, easy.